Learn 30 daily life English sentences, slow and clear, to improve your English speaking. Let's begin. Morning, start of day. I wake up early to start my day fresh. I wake up early to start my day fresh. I check my phone after waking up. I check my phone after waking up. I get ready for the day. I get ready for the day. I plan my tasks for today. I like to start my morning with a positive mindset. I like to start my morning with a positive mindset. I try to stay focused and productive. I try to stay focused and productive. Now, daily activities. I'm working on my goals. I am working on my goals. I am trying to improve myself every day. I am trying to improve myself every day. I stay busy with my daily tasks. I stay busy with my daily tasks. I manage my time carefully. I manage my time carefully. I take short breaks to relax. I take short breaks to relax. I like to learn something new every day. I like to learn something new every day. Social communication. I talk to my friends in my free time. I talk to my friends in my free time. I enjoy spending time with my family. I enjoy spending time with my family. I try to communicate clearly. I try to communicate clearly. I listen carefully when others speak. I listen carefully when others speak. I like to help others when I can. I like to help others when I can. I respect everyone's opinion. I respect everyone's opinion. Personal habits. I try to stay healthy and active. I try to stay healthy and active. I drink enough water during the day. I drink enough water during the day. I avoid wasting my time. I avoid wasting my time. I focus on what is important. I focus on what is important. I stay positive in difficult situations. I stay positive in difficult situations. I believe in continuous improvement. I believe in continuous improvement. Night. I review my day in the evening. I review my day in the evening. I spend some time relaxing. I spend some time relaxing. I prepare for the next day. I prepare for the next day. I like to watch something useful. I like to watch something useful. I go to bed with a clear mind. I go to bed with a clear mind. I try to sleep on time. I try to sleep on time. Practice these sentences every day and improve your English step by step. Subscribe to Slow English Daily for more slow and easy English lessons. Thank you.